Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your Canva Workspace layout for efficiency. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. As you can see, it has a beautiful user interface. Now let's hop into this tutorial. How do you customize your Canva Workspace layout for efficiency? So let's head over to the editor. Okay, so I'm just going to open up a design. I'm going to open this up and it's going to take me to the editor, or what I call the editing suite. All right, so the design is loading up and all the elements will soon be up in no time. So here you go. So I have this design and I want to customize my workspace layout for efficiency. So I just want to apply layouts, all right, so that whenever I want to work using that particular layout, you're going to see that it's just going to be efficient. It's just going to be perfect. I wouldn't have to like struggle my way around, getting my design done using that particular layout. Now, if you head over to the left corner of your screen over here, you're gonna find elements and design, text, brand, and a lot more. So go ahead and click on elements. Now from this element, in this element, right, so you can just go ahead and type in layouts. Okay, so you're going to see all the layouts, all the templates that you can definitely use. So head over to see all under graphics, and so we're going to use a layout that is, that is free. Okay, so okay, let's try this. Okay, it's coming up. All right, I'm gonna delete that, right, and add another page, or I'm just gonna have to just completely get rid